Why does snoring suddenly get louder at night? Many people snore more when they sleep deeply. At night, the throat muscles relax even more. When air passes through, loose tissues vibrate and create noise. This vibration is what causes snoring. One simple thing that may help is a tongue exercise. Press your tongue gently to the roof of your mouth and hold it for a few seconds before bed. Doing this daily may help reduce snoring for some people. You can find the full step-by-step routine in the description. This is not medical advice.